everyone, Olivia here, and for today's video, let's do a bonus reading for Libra. Let's check kung ano ang messages for you this time, Libra. So if you have Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and even Saturn placements or heavy Libras in your natal charts, this video ay para sa iyo. Ayun. Let's check kung ano mga bonus messages, blessings for you. Ano mga dapat bantayan, anong mga dapat gawin. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you so much sa mga bagong subscribers, followers ng ating mga social media accounts. And for those who are interested magpa-private readings, I'm more active on social media and TikTok. And you can also email me if you like to avail sa ating services. And I would also like to use this as an opportunity. Meron din akong free readings sa live on TikTok. So, if you want one with me, please do join me there. So let's see. I can see an image here, Libra. Parang may nag-aayos ng gamit, nag-aal sa balutan, ready to leave, or someone is packing. May inaayos. Pwedeng paalis ka or may aalis sa buhay mo. First card, Knight of Cups, Two of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, King of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Okay. For your first cards, first row ng iyong reading, I can see you are trying to manage your every move. Ang daming nagbago, may nagtapos din. For some of you, may graduate, may nagtapos na relasyon, either romantic or friendship or even in business. For some of you here, nagmamature na kayo emotionally or magmamature kayo emotionally. Mas paiiralin nyo na yung emotional intelligence when it comes to listening to people, connecting to people, talking to people. Ayun, for some of you here, mas magiging busy ang finances ninyo. So, watch out for a big income coming in. What's next for Libra? The Moon, Nine of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Temperance. For others of you here, usapang relasyon, intuitively, some of you are still holding on to something. This is not a bad thing kasi namamanage mo siya, pero this is blocking a possible new connection. For some of you here, meron kang mga itinatagong thoughts towards your person, maring wala na kayong communication, hindi na kayo nagkikita, hindi na kayo nag-uusap, pero you're still emotionally connected to this person, or pwedeng vice versa. Ten of Swords, as we mentioned kanina, wala tayong nakikitang communication properly in terms of love, pero in terms of your career and other general things in life, I can see for some of you here, meron kang iniiwasang fatherly or masculine energy here. Hindi mo naman siya like intentionally iniiwasan, pero kailangan mo i-gather yung thoughts mo bago mo siya harapin or kausapin. For some of you here, very guarded and very divinely protected kayo ng higher self or the other spirits na mas powerful, higher being sa inyo. Or kung sino mang pinaniniwalaan yung gods. We got the Emperor, Knight of Swords, Four of Cups, the Hanged Man, and Five of Cups. For others of you here, although sa larangan ng finances and career, nagkakaroon ng transition or pagbabago. For some of you here, may balak kayong pasukin related sa entertainment and designs, maybe arts as well. Pero isa pang emotional or love aspects relationship-wise, Libra, medyo nagkakaroon ka ng pag-pause or hindi naman sa binablock mo totally ang pakikipagkilala or pakikipag-usap, pakikipag-connecta sa iba't ibang tao ng buhay mo, pero mas pinipili mo munang wag mo nang magsalita ng so much about this about your nararamdaman. Mas pinili mo munang mag-observe. For some of you here, you are still grieving from the past relationships, kaya medyo nagkakaroon ng blockages when it comes to emotional or love connection. For others of you here, when it comes to family, meron ako nakikitang silent or cold war. Silent war, parang hindi naman siya ganun kabigat, pero nararamdaman mo ang intensity. Maring may kinalaman sa finances mo to or ng family. For some of you, mother figure then and father figure. You are trying your best to understand each side, pero nagkakaroon to ng pressure on your end. For some of you, pwedeng breadwinner kayo ng family, kaya mas nararamdaman mo yung pressure. Wala kang pinagsasabihan sa nararamdaman mo, pero it's taking a toll on your mind, on your body, and mas lalong nagkakaroon ng delays kasi hindi ka nagiging honest or direkta sa sarili mo at sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And I can also see here you're trying to take the lead when it comes to your emotions. Hindi mo masyadong pinapagana yung emotions mo lately, although nagkakaroon ka ng hesitations or kung kailan mo ipaparamdam yung nararamdaman mo o kailan mo isi-share, pero mas pinapakinggan mo yung emotional mature side ng iyong nararamdaman, kaya nagkakaroon din dito ng delays. For others of you, it's okay to share your burdens, lalo na sa mga pinagkakatiwalaang tao ng buhay mo. And some of you here are still, like what I've said, waiting, I heard, grieving from the past connections, pwedeng relationship wise, romantic man, business, or even friends. And others of you here, focus muna kayo sa pagkakaroon ng maayos na finances, kasi nga nararamdaman ko ang laking hindi naman siya problema, pero ayun, mabigat yung nararamdaman mo when it comes to finances. You're trying to find another access towards comfortability, accessibility sa stability ng finances. You have to talk to someone that is older than you, that is open to communicate on what you're thinking regarding sa finances mo. And yeah, this is your reading, Libra. I hope maka-resonate, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and follow like for other updates. Thank you.